I've burned out more times than I can count. Addiction, depression. Food is comfort, food is punishment. But I find my way back through the one thing that never left me, a flame and a plate. Every chef has a story, and behind every dish that makes you feel something, there's a person who almost didn't make it. This isn't about making food. It's about making meaning. It's about making sure no one feels like they have to suffer alone. We'll walk into kitchens where healing happens, sit with chefs who faced their hell and chose to feed others anyway. We'll show you the soul of each city, one table, one story at a time. Because food is a constant. Even when everything else collapses, a hot meal reminds us we're still here, still human. And words are fire too. 26 letters put together just right. They can break us, or they can build us. My name is Jeffrey Schlissel. I'm just a man who chose to keep going, so someone else might feel like they can too.